Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall HandBrake on Windows and macOS, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall HandBrake on Windows, first, click the Start menu. Then, open the Settings app. In the Settings window, select Apps. Scroll through the list to find HandBrake. Click on HandBrake to reveal the options. Select Uninstall and confirm your choice. The uninstallation process will begin, and you may need to follow additional prompts. Once it's finished, HandBrake will be removed from your system. Now, let's move on to uninstalling HandBrake on macOS. First, open the Finder on your Mac. Navigate to the Applications folder. Locate HandBrake in the Applications list. Drag the HandBrake icon to the trash. Alternatively, you can right-click and select Move to Trash. To permanently delete HandBrake, right-click the trash icon. Then select Empty Trash. Now, HandBrake has been completely uninstalled from your Mac. For both systems, consider checking for any leftover files. On Windows, use File Explorer to search for HandBrake-related folders. On macOS, look through folders like Library and Preferences. Remove any remnants to ensure a clean uninstall. Congratulations, you've successfully uninstalled HandBrake from both Windows and macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.